July 20, I think. I don't know. I don't check the calendar. But anyways, yeah, but today's Saturday, of course. My simple outfit, like what I always wear. All black, all black, all black. I don't like putting ponytail, but short hair, bà sư trời bê quỷ mà cho down to đây cũng là lấy từ ew What one thing you wish you knew before you start dating?
Well, I wish I knew that you should always love yourself first and stop putting others before you.
Definitely. Could be coral. Oh yeah. Oh, có lộ giấy quá. Ê, lộ giấy cho nó con à? Yes. Có tấm món cho được.
Wayne, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, my teeth has food in it, huh?
Do you want to act with us again?
Sure.
Do you want to act with us? My God! Because I do need a guy in case I need to Kong. Easy.
You got two guys at home.
Who?
Your two brothers.
Tôi là hay cả, tôi cũng bị bê là cả, tôi hay muốn nhiều là cả. That's your ugliest. I'm just kidding. Người chơi trong con bóng sọ. Of course, no? So what did you think?
It was great. Well, a great experience. It's my first time, so I mean, I would say it's good.